everybody, today I would like to present using film to develop English skills. Written by Ms. Nalina Thor Thaisong. The innovation is the film. This research aims to investigate English teaching outcomes by using movie as learning media. The research can develop the skills. Any students have the same problem. It's about their skills. The teacher prepare for the worksheets, exercise, the interesting media and it can activate the students. First, they can do the exercise and all of them need to improve their skills. The students satisfy and enjoy in the activity. They can help their friends, can participate in class, can explain about the movie when their friends can understand. It's harmony in the class. Problem and obstruction is the film have long conversation and speakers. Students can catch the words and they try to pronounce and speak softly. Using film to English study make the student relax and innovate from the own study. It can stimulate students to concentrate their study. They can share their idea together, can discuss about the movie and show their opinion. The class is enjoyed and students are happy. In the same time, they can develop their English skills.